Today we will talk about how to connect two PC to each other in Huawei eNSP simulator. Take a 2 PC and connect to each other through copper cable. Let's define an IP address for both PC. 10.00.1 for PC1 and 10.00.2 for PC2. Now give an IP address and subnet mask to both PC. For PC1, the IP address is 10.0.0.1 and subnet mask is 255.0.0 and .0. And for PC2, the IP address is 10.0.0.2 and subnet mask is 255.0.0 and .0. Now we need to start our both PC. Right-click on the router and press Start button, or we can also start both at a time to click a Start button in the menu bar. Now you can see both PC are start. Now let's give a design to look good. Click on the PC2 and go to Command Prompt. Write ipconfig to confirm our PC IP address. Once you confirm your IP address, then ping the destination PC IP address, which is 10.0.0.1. Now you can see the destination host successfully pinged. Now let's go to PC1 and give the same commands to ping the PC2. Congratulations, you have successfully pinged. So, if you are new on this channel, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.